Hello and welcome to the Junior Finance channel, where we talk the future of finance with the future generation. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you want to see more. Of course, nothing I say here today should be taken as financial advice. This is only for educational purposes. Today, we're going to be talking about a personal favorite of mine, AMP token. AMP token, if you don't know, is a ERC20 token built on the Ethereum network that aims to bring cryptocurrencies into the hands of merchants such as Target, Walmart, and other grocery stores, convenience stores, and any day-to-day use that you may have. Alright, let's take a look here at the chart. So AMP token hit an all-time high here around June 15th at 12 cents. Since then, it's been in a constant downtrend and descending triangle from that point. Now, it is only in this past few days that we've actually broken out of that triangle, which is a huge sign for the bull market. Looking at the MACD indicator, AMP token is still at a relatively low price for what it could be. It's still well below the equilibrium, which means that we could definitely see a huge pump in the near future. As you can see, the MACD has begun to have a little upwards price action, which we haven't seen a move that big since back here when we went all the way from 4 cents to 9 cents, over doubling your money. So this is a great sign for the near future. Looking at the RSI, it's relatively in the middle, which I will get into more in a little bit, but not a bad time to buy right now, but it's also not the best time. If we pull out of all the indicators, we can see this range beginning to form. Now, we have hit the bottom of this range consistently, and it would have been a huge move if we were able to break out of this. Instead, we got rejected by this point, which likely means we're going to be heading around here in the short term. I wouldn't be surprised to see the price action hit around 0.044 or 0.045 before finally breaking up to the upside. I expect to see this support form around October 8th, October 9th. So just in the next few days is when we're going to see that price action. Personally, I would load up right here around this 4445 mark on that support, because I don't think that it is going to go back that low again at all, at least in the near future, the rest of 2021. Of course, take everything I say with your own way. I'm not an expert. I'm simply looking at the technical analysis, but I don't think it is going to hit this range again after that dip down to the resistance. And of course, if it breaks down to the downside, then we could see a very big bear move. I don't think this is going to happen. We are in October, and everything else looks very, very bullish. So that's why I think we are going to be able to hit the support and bounce back up. Of course, do keep in mind that is a possibility. So where do I think that we are going to go? Well, as I said, I think we're going to hit the resistance down here and then pop up to the upside, where I think we are headed to right at this Fibonacci retracement level of around 6162. And that is when I'm going to be selling. So I'm going to buy some more down here at the 4, wait for that increase, wait for that bull run, and then sell it up there. I do think that we're going to have some capitulation up here at that Fibonacci level, as that is a very strong level, and we've seen a lot of action there really in the past all of 2021. Right here you can see it's moving around that 6 cents range, and it was range bound until we got that fake out to the upside, and then the big bear move down there. Moving to the greed and fear index, the market is still at a very fearful place, which in my opinion is a great time to buy. It seems as if everything has finally hit its bottom and then we're going up to the moon. I think 27 is a great time to get in, and of course it's before we see that big bull move, although we have seen a confirmation to the upside here. And looking at the MACD, we can see that we've begun that uptrend. Returning to the RSI for the range bound area that I have shown, we are relatively in the middle. The RSI is pretty neutral, so I wouldn't be surprised to see it hit levels back below 30 before going all the way back up to above the 70 range. And of course, anything below 30, you're going to want to buy. Anything above 70, you're going to want to sell. So that is a great indicator. Moving to more of the technicals, the summary is that most people are selling it right now. There's a lot of fear in the market, like I said. However, I believe in the project of AMP token, and I think that it is a solid buy for the long term, right? I'm not holding it for the next few weeks. I'm not holding it for the next month. I'm holding it for the next few years. I think AMP token is a great prospect, and I think it is going to continue to flourish and hit new all-time highs in the near future and in the long term. So that is my personal opinion on the project of AMP token. But like I said, in the short term, I wouldn't buy just yet. I would wait for this cool off to hit, buy it around 44, 45, and then wait for that confirmation to the uptrend before buying it. Of course, you're not going to want to buy it exactly at that low point. If you do, great for you, but there's no confirmation that it is actually going up. So if it does break below that range, we can see it a huge dump for AMP token. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. I'll be posting more updates on AMP token as I see the price action moving, but I'm holding for right now and I'm waiting to get that discount price.